Our outdoor TV cabinet starts with a piece of half-inch treated plywood. The dimensions of the piece are determined by the size of the TV to allow a few inches extra space on each side. On either side of the plywood, we're attaching treated 2x6s by driving coated deck screws at an angle into the fence. A deeper TV may require wider material. At this point, we can install the TV mount on the plywood. Be sure to allow space for the TV to hang on the rails. The doors for this cabinet are being made from treated fence boards to mimic the pattern of the fence behind it. In this case, that means the boards overlap each other by about an inch. We're using waterproof wood glue and galvanized nails to secure everything together. On the back of each door, we attach a horizontal piece at the top and bottom with a diagonal piece running between to add strength. Next, we attach the doors to the cabinet using ordinary gate hinges. To keep the rain out, we're applying some peel and stick roofing starter strip to the top of the cabinet so it overlaps the front edge. We cover that edge with a strip of the fence material to create a shed-style roof for the cabinet with the scraps from our fence boards, again using 1-inch overlap pattern. Once we coat the cabinet with stain to protect it, we're ready to mount the TV and begin enjoying it.